spokespersons representing India, the largest democracy in the world.
और अब आ रहा है भारत का दल मैदान में है.
As President Pratibha Patil, Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and all the dignitaries clap for host nation India. India looks forward to being number 2 in this Commonwealth Games, to do exceedingly well. Looking forward to the man, the Abhinav Bindra, the one who got the gold medal at the last Olympics, shooter in rifle. As Dr. Manmohan Singh applauds, the crowd applauds, many of them on their feet. India looking forward to medals in shooting, in weightlifting, in wrestling.
पूरा स्टेडियम इस समय तालियों से गूंज रहा है. चारों तरफ जैसे जश्न का माहौल है.
India ended up 4th at Melbourne 4 years ago behind hosts Australia, England and Canada with a final haul of 49 medals, including 22 golds. That was 4 behind Canada. This time with the preparations in place, India looks forward to going in at number 2. Just remember, tennis is making its debut for the first time in the Commonwealth Games, and India has got Leander Paes, it's got Mahesh Bhupathi, it's got Sania Mirza, and yes, India has a very, very special place in the Commonwealth Games. The Prince of Wales, Prince Charles applauds, Camilla applauds, the Prime Minister, his wife Ruchran Singh applauds, as all our sportspersons dressed so elegantly in the sherwani and the lovely and elegant saris.
अभिनव बिंद्रा की अगुवाई में भारतीय दल मैदान में जहां जहां से गुजर रहा है, वहां दर्शक खड़े होकर इस दल का स्वागत कर रहे हैं.
And the music specially composed for this particular occasion for the Indian contingent. It's different from what we've heard earlier, and very, very smartly dressed here. India also hopes to do exceedingly well in boxing, where we've got the strapping Vijendra, you've got Akhil, you've got Suranjoy Singh, Jay Bhagwan, Manoj. As yes, plenty to look forward for India. India looks forward to doing well in archery, looks forward to doing well in hockey. We've never won a medal. And yes, badminton, Saina Nehwal, world number 2 part of this delegation, is going to be competing here in the Commonwealth Games. Table tennis, Achanta Sharat Kamal. In the men's doubles pair of Amal Raj and Soumyadeep Roy. A squash, we've got Saurabh Ghoshal with Deepika Palikal, Harinder Paul Sandhu, Jyotsna Chinnappa. Looking forward to do exceedingly well in athletics. Yes, we have not done so well so far, but yes, we should do well this time. And Neelam Jaswant-Kaur, Seema Antil, they are going to be there to make sure that they get medals. Abhinav Bindra says it all smiles, flag held high, waves to the crowd, enough for the crowd to really reach a crescendo in cheering. So you can imagine, Sanjeev, that Indian contingent, all our players are going to be cheered right through the Commonwealth Games.
राष्ट्रपति, प्रधानमंत्री सभी खड़े होकर स्वागत कर रहे हैं भारतीय दल का. पूरा स्टेडियम गूंज रहा है.
What a welcome! What a welcome for India! His Royal Highness Prince Charles, Camilla Parker also standing up. Every dignitary in the main box, every citizen here, the President of India, Srimati Pratibha Patil, her husband, all standing up to applaud India and to cheer India to do exceedingly well at this Commonwealth Games, to make a mark as a sporting nation in the Commonwealth. We've done well the last time. Look forward to doing even better this time.
और पिछले वर्ष में भारतीय खिलाड़ियों ने जब प्रदर्शन किया है, उससे ये उम्मीद बन चुकी है और ये विश्वास है कि इन राष्ट्रमंडल खेलों में भारतीय खिलाड़ी अपनी छाप छोड़ेंगे और बेहतर प्रदर्शन करेंगे.
India will also be taking part in the elite athletes with disabilities, which compete in 15 events across the 4 sports, which are athletics, swimming, powerlifting and table tennis. And of course the others are all here on view. And the drumming piece which is being played, is written specially for the ceremonial lap for India. '19 Commonwealth Games 2010. Everyone, as you can see, standing up there.